So, hi there. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about how you can benefit from affiliate marketing, what it is, how it's done, a little bit of everything surrounding affiliate marketing. Um, because I know that some people don't really know what affiliate marketing is, and it can be nice to figure out what it actually is. So, before we begin, please subscribe to my channel so you can get more content um, when I release it. So also I will put some links in the description to other videos as well that are helpful when it comes to affiliate marketing. Um, okay, so let's begin. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is when you actually like promote a, a product for that it's not your own, but it's someone else who created the product, but you will get paid for promoting or selling that product. So, for example, I know a lot of people know about Clickbank, but Clickbank is a place where you can go and you can actually find products that you can promote for and in order to gain some percentage when a product is sold. So when a product is sold, you will not earn like 100%, maybe you will earn 50%. There are products that you can earn 100%, but they're rare and they usually aren't the main product that this person that or company that sells this they use this product usually as a bait to for another product when it's 100%. But if it's like for example in Amazon, you can become an affiliate for Amazon. I know you earn some percentage for everything that is sold when you have brought the person buying there, and it's also there's a ton of different places you can go to find out. There's Offer Vault, this page that you can see right now behind you. And so there's also JV Sue, for example, and there is Digistore 24, um, which is this page, Digistore 24. And there's tons of different places you can find products. You can even go to the homepage of many products or companies and find the way to become affiliate marketer for them there if they deal with affiliate marketing. Not every company deals with affiliate marketing, but many do. And when you become an affiliate marketer, you start promoting, and there's tons of different ways to promote different products. Many people use YouTube. They might be doing reviews of the product or different different content that has to do with the product, where they use the product in their video or etc. And then they can put the links to their products in their description. And the products usually are something that can help the people. Like if they did a video about Weight Watching or something, then they might put an affiliate link to Weight Watchers. So it has to do with the video. So it's not something you wouldn't buy or anything. Some people use Facebook to do affiliate marketing, and they do it both through ads and just through like going in Facebook groups, and they can go and just putting it all over in on their page as well. So a lot of people use different ways to promote their product. And some people they use Twitter, they use Google. There's so many ways to do this, and only your imagination can figure out like how you do it. It can stop you. your imagination and the tools, obviously, but definitely like there's definitely a lot of different ways to do it. And for example, there's if you want to do it for Clickbank, I can show you. The only thing you would have to do is to sign up on Clickbank, and you would go on login, or if you're already signed up. But give me a second. Okay, so I'm back. So I moved over to Clickbank here just to show you how it's done on Clickbank. That you sign up, you go to the marketplace, and on the marketplace you find so many different products, and all you have to do to promote it is click promote, and you get a nickname for Clickbank, for example, like that. And then you might want to put a tracking ID that you're gonna promote this on YouTube if you put up many links. And then you generate a hop link, and you get a link, click it like that, and you have it copied, and you put it everywhere where you want to put it. So that's as simple as it is. So then you just have to figure out what product you wanna promote. Okay, so that's a little bit about affiliate marketing. If you have more questions, please write a comment below, and please subscribe to my channel, and I will be able to create more content, and you will be able to see when it comes, and also follow it. So hope you're having a good day, and ciao!